Hey guys, welcome back. So back in 2019, we got our first folding device by Samsung. Year after, in 2020, we got not just one but two new folding devices, the Z Flip and Z Fold 2. However, this time Samsung is about to surprise everyone with its next evolution in the foldable market, which is a rollable display smartphone. Now before we jump into the video, I wanna say that if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe to get more daily updates and give a like if you enjoy watching this video. So according to latest news, there will be a new mystery device launching along with the Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4, and we also got codename for this rollable smartphone, which is N4 aka Diamond. Now this one will not be only for just showcase, but Samsung is working on full power and mass production will also begin within few weeks. So users can actually buy this technology from Samsung later this year. Now this rollable device will solve a major issue present in the current Galaxy folding devices, which is center folding crease. I'm pretty sure most of the users find it as a distraction, but with this new sliding mechanism, this problem will be completely removed, where we will have a pure looking smartphone / tablet device without any bad looking center crease. Now talking about the main upcoming foldable king, the Galaxy Z Fold 4, it is also confirmed that both the Z Fold 4 and Flip 4 will get Qualcomm's high-end CPU, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus. This CPU is coming within 2 months from now and will bring some major improvements over the previous CPU. We all know that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 available on the S22 series and many other Android flagship isn't doing well when it comes to heavy CPU tasks and gaming as well. It has some heating issues, which is a big problem for many flagship devices, and this is why companies throttle some of the applications and games as well. But with this new chipset, Qualcomm will use TSMC's 4nm fabrication over the Samsung's one, which is expected to be pretty stable in CPU performance and has better heat management, where the biggest example of this is the Dimensity 9000, which is already based on TSMC's 4nm architecture. So the Samsung Z Fold 4 will solve all the thermal issues and will offer stable and consistent performance. Moving on, the Z Fold 4 will also have a dedicated slot for the S Pen, which indeed will be a great improvement, where more and more people will take advantage of this. Also, according to recent news, the production of this latest S Pen has already started in Europe, which 100% gives us confirmation that the S Pen is definitely coming integrated inside the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Now last week we got some updates regarding the display, where we may not see any changes in terms of screen size compared to its predecessor. However, both the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4 will have the 2nd gen LTPO display panels, which can go from 1Hz to 120Hz depending on the content being displayed, and also it'll help to save some battery in the longer run. So that is it in this video guys. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section about the next rollable device by Samsung. If you enjoy watching this video, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel as well. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.